Alright, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XLM family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing so much love. And I'm sure you guys know, that Wednesday was amazing for the crypto markets. The last 48 hours have been nothing but, pure excitement, a lot of bullish momentum right now. XRP making history, of course, reaching some of the levels that we haven't seen since 2018. So pretty much 7 years ago was the last time XRP's price was back above $3. So, of course, the broader market as well, showing a lot of strength, which of course I'm sure no one is really complaining about. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with XLM's price and what we could be expecting going into Thursday morning. So looking at the price of XLM, 47.5 cents, up 1.7% in USD. We're down about 0.7% in Bitcoin compared with the market valuation currently almost sitting at $14.5 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is approaching $2 billion, which of course is crazy to see. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we saw the dominance actually falling down to 57.48%, and this right here is also, aside from the Bitcoin price moving up to the six-figure price point, this right here is also a major, and I repeat, a major catalyst behind altcoins doing so good. So, this should not be ignored, and this shows you why your boy Crypto ZX talks about Bitcoin dominance on a daily basis. But here we are, retesting 57.48% a few hours ago for the first time, literally since the beginning of this year. And we did see a major spike right after that, but you're still obviously seeing the dominance pulling down, which of course is nice to see. And of course, if we continue to fall to the likes of that 56.75%, guess what I think is going to happen to the altcoins? They push higher, much higher in my opinion. But with that said, we need to keep our eyes glued on Bitcoin as well, because of course, at this point, everyone is aware that, Bitcoin was able to reach a $100,000 price point, which we discussed last night. And, since then, of course, psychological price point of 100K, obviously bulls and the bears are going to have a little bit of a battle there, and you are seeing a little bit of a retracement going into Thursday morning, but so far so good. Really liking what I'm seeing for Bitcoin, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to discuss what's really happening with XLM, and XLM is showing significant momentum. We spoke about this in the last few updates, and continuously is showing positive momentum. And you guys know, anyone that follows my channel can vouch for me. If the price is not looking bullish, I'm not going to say it's looking bullish for no reason. And it indeed is looking really bullish over the last few days. Even when the market volatility happened, we did see quite some bullish strength for XLM. And here we are, guys, just taking a look at it on the hourly time frame. You don't need to be even a technical analysis expert to really say that this chart is not looking as bad. You did see not only a new yearly high, but we are retesting some major resistance pretty much for the first time in a little over a month. And of course, right now, we're finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of the key resistance around the 50 cents. But, the 50-cent specific target, if you watch my update, I spoke about, us retesting that resistance next. And, we actually came up to that level. Of course, it's playing as a resistance because it's a major resistance, which needs to be treated like a hurdle. And, having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of here. But, with the momentum that we're seeing, with the rise in volume, and with the way XRP is going right now, I think this could really help XLM, push out of this key resistance and start heading to the likes of, that, 55 to 56 cents key resistance. And after that, pretty much, you could actually start seeing XLM's price pushing up to some of the levels we haven't seen since 2021. And yeah, that is of course really nice to see. Of course, I'm sure no one's really complaining, but let's pull out the XLM charts. I don't know where they went. Here, XLM. Here we are. Let's take a look at, here we are. So this is what I mean. After that key resistance, obviously we push up to the yearly high that we set for ourselves back on December the 5th. And that's pretty much a clear indication that we are starting to head towards obviously the 2021 level And after that, pretty much the rest is history. But one step at a time. Major resistance coming in the way. But if you want to put it into perspective, it's only a move of about 38% from where we currently are. And in order for us to break out from the previous cycle high, that's a move of about 71.7%. So still a large move right now, to be specific. So, we need to obviously keep that factor in mind. But the valuation on XLM is right now about 14.4 billion. So let's see what happens. Could XLM really start heading towards that dollar price point? Of course, if we do get to this level, break out of the previous cycle high, we would get closer to the dollar price point. Not exactly, but you would see us being very, very close. So very, very excited to see what happens. Obviously, I will keep you guys covered on a daily basis. If you enjoy these updates, continue supporting. Of course, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. We'll keep you guys covered. But let me know your personal predictions on XLM. Some people are going insane with the predictions. Let me know your realistic prediction for the year of 2025. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll keep you guys covered, like I said. But with that said, we'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.